Okay, let us study this question, okay? So from this pattern, right? This one is how many sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is 10. Here is 10. So from here to here, the pattern increase, right? Here, I want to add something like that. How many I add in? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, you add something like that. It's add 7. After that, pattern increase to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, over here is add 9. Okay. Pattern 4. You need to add one more layer like this, right? Correct. So, what I add is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, here, to add pattern like this is add 5. So, what about pattern number 5? Pattern number 5 will be this. Let's draw here. I need to add something like that. This one looks like what? Looks exactly like this. So here is add 9. So here to here is add 9. Here is 14. Okay? So pattern number 6 is I need to add something like this. Like this one. This is exactly the same as this. So here is add 5. So here is add 5. Add 5 become 45. Okay? So number 7, right? Pattern number 7. Okay, it's asking you each pattern number needs 96 matchstick. Okay, so in this case, right, I need to continue do. So from here to here, I add one more of this, right? This is pattern number 7. Pattern number 7 is wait. Over here is 45 add 9. So pattern number 7 is 54. Okay. So pattern number 7, then here is will be pattern number 8. Add this, right, is add 5. Pattern number 8, 54, add 5, will give you 59. Pattern number 9, do something like that again. So add 9. See, this pattern is same as this. So add 9 is 59, add 9 will give you 68. Okay. Number 10, pattern number 10 is to add this portion here. This portion here is the same as this portion here. So it's add 5. Okay. So it's 68, add 5 will give you 73. Okay. So number 11, again add 9. Add 9. So 73 add 9 will be giving you 82. Then pattern number 12 is add 5. 12 is 82. Add 5. So 87. Okay, so one more. Continue, right? I think it's actually out of the screen, but it's actually like that. This pattern is what? Add 9. So pattern number 13 is 87. Add 9. Okay, it's 96 matchstick. Let me put the two questions close together so you can compare. So Raja had 3/4 meter. Can you see this meter here? I highlight this meter of wire. He used 2/5 of it. What is the meaning of 2/5? If there is no meter behind here, If there's no meter behind it, that means this is what? A fraction. Okay? So, but when you come back to this case, right? Teresa bought 4 meter of cloth. This is 4 meter. Okay? But then she used 5/12 meter of it of the cloth. This is not a fraction because there's a meter here. Can you see a meter here? And here is a meter. So to tackle this problem, right? That means this is a fraction. When this is a fraction, that means this whole piece here, right? I'm so sorry. I don't draw very nice, you know. Okay, this whole piece here, for this problem, this whole piece is, I break it into 5 parts. Okay, I break it into 5 parts. 2 over of this whole thing here is what? This whole thing here is 3/4 meter. Okay, but I only use 2/5 of it. What is this? It of is the meaning of times. Times what? 3/4. Okay, but then the question didn't ask how much I use, so I'm not keen in doing this. What I do is, how much left? I have how many left? 3/5 portion, fraction left. So 3/5 of this left. So it's 3/5 times 3/4 equals 9/20. But for this question is different. That means the whole thing is 4 meter, right? Okay, but then I only use 5/12 meter of it. It's meter. This is not fraction. It doesn't mean that I break this into 12 parts and then I shift 5, I use 5. No, I only use 5/12 meter of it. Okay, maybe it's this portion. I just write this portion. His portion here is 5/12 meter. So if I want to do any calculation, if I want to find how many left, and then this is the left one, I'll just totally use this 4 meter minus 5/12 meter because of the meter here. Because it didn't say that I break it into 12 parts. But then here, there is no meter here. Do you see? There's no meter here. That means I break this whole thing into 12 parts. Okay? This whole thing is 3/4 meter. Okay? I hope that you don't confuse with this type of question anymore. Be very careful when you are looking at the questions. Okay?